Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathii na mbere wega ni kieha kinene muno kuri Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua ni undu wa ndeto cia kihana maithori akorwo agishare ndeto cia korwo ikimugumira kena family yake this afternoon na ndeto agikorwo agishare na Akenya kugerera nenda ciake cia ukinyaniria. Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua ari na maithori muno ni akorwo akiuga ati eldest sister wake Lea Wangari Muriuki ni akorwo akihuruka akiuga igukorwo iri wiki ndito muno kurike na family yake nundu wa gukorwo make lose their elder sister who was taking care of the entire family. Kuna Rigathi wa Gachagua and also his family members kana aria agiciaranirwo nao, they lost their dad and also their two mothers. Koguo sister uyu wao mukuru akoretwo akireta mami wao kana tamaito wao. Ndumiriri ino akirio Rigathi wa Gachagua agikorwo akirekereria akiuga ati, and I quote, I am saddened to receive news of the passing of our eldest sister Lea Wangari Muriuki. Lea has been our mother and the family matriarch. She has taken good care of the larger Gachagua family after the death of father and of our two mothers. We are devastated by the loss of this family head. My deepest condolences to her husband, her children and grandchildren. Akiuga ati ni megukorwo iri wiki ndito muno kuri we, family yake na ginyagia we as the head of the country kana ni undu wa gukorwo ari mutongoria wa bururi ni undu wa maundu maria mathiete na mbere na kumira bururi-ini agithie na mbere na kwamukira ndumiriri cia pole kuma kuri andu makire ngumo guku bururi-ini. Karagwa wa Muraya agitongoria andu acio gukorwo magituma ndumiriri cia pole kuri Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua uria wagikorwo akigumirwo ni ndeto yake ha ikigie sister wake uria mukuru uria wakorwo akihuruka miaraho ya umuthi. Lea Wangari Muriuki arohuruka kwega kuraga. Tugukinyia ndeto icio hau tutigucitenderithia makiria twaciaria twaria cia tukinyira. Make sure no wa turn on your notification na wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni video citu. Tucemanie in our next one.